description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Editor, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I know, it's not ramen. This is something you'll find on the ramen aisle, though. This is Vifon instant porridge. It's a rice porridge. It's like congee, right? And it's a salted egg flavor, so this should be interesting. This comes by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. He has sent so many weird, interesting things. I really like that. But yeah, it's like a little pillow of stuff. So, let's get to it. Today is the 24th day of June? Yeah. And the war is over. We just had a war. We dropped bombs on Iran. It sounds like we didn't do as much damage as originally thought, which kind of isn't a shock. And yeah, it's a weird deal. But now everybody's like breathing a sigh of relief that there's no war in the Middle East. But I'm sorry. I'm not so sure that's... I don't think we're at endgame. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, you just put all this stuff together, slap a lid on it, and let it sit for 3 minutes, I believe. Let me double check that. Yes. 3 minutes. So it will suck up the liquid and turn into like a pudding porridge type amalgam. And then it will be tasted. And then in here, I guess there's actual salted egg. I don't know what the deal is. Well, I guess we'll find out. So, yeah. Wow. It is Tuesday. And everything's crazy. We got a new car. We actually got a car. We didn't lease it, but we're going to have it for a couple of years, build our credit, and then sell it. And then get something else. That's the plan. And kids are out of school. Been dragging them around to different places. Yesterday we went to this place called Owasity Park. I think that's how it's pronounced. Nice place. Saw some ducks. Mama ducks and baby ducks. And today we went down to the splash park where the kids got all wet and stuff, and they had fun doing that. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. We might go back to that water place on Thursday. Tomorrow, I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah, tomorrow it might rain, so hopefully it doesn't. But it's kind of like hot and weird. It's like 75 out. So it's nice. Like I hung out at the splash park waiting for the kids, you know, letting them have some fun. And then like I'm sitting there and I'm like cooking. I mean, I think I'm probably gonna end up like with a sunburn. We'll see. I will or I won't. What else is going on? My daughter got accepted for summer softball, so that's going to be happening in about a week and a day, I think. Or maybe more than that. A couple weeks. But, yeah. 13 days from now, she'll have her first day of softball, and my son's doing summer school. That'll be on the same day. Early for that, get him on the bus at 7:40 and grab him at noon. But that's early enough to go out and do some stuff with my daughter while he's doing the school thing. And then in the evening, it'll be softball on Mondays and Wednesdays. So that's neat. I'm excited. We've got stuff going on this summer. That's kind of not usually how it works. So getting them out, getting out, doing. But doing reviews today, and 2 reviews, and neither of them are ramen. That's kind of a weird deal. I'm really low on stuff, so that's why. If you're this is not exceedingly thick. I followed the directions. It's not exceedingly thick. I guess you could call it porridge. It's porridge-like. Alright, so let's add this asset. This is the salted egg part. I don't know. We'll see. It looks interesting. I'll go that far. But yeah, trying to find stuff for the kids to do and keep them entertained during the deal. Whoa. Okay, so this is more porridge-like. Let's have a look at this. Porridge. Thick consistency. But yeah, I've had people like get all cranky. It's like, dude, that's no ramen. It's like, well, neither is mee goreng, but you don't bitch about that. But this is something you'll totally find on the ramen aisle. You'll find things like this, tteokbokki, instant rice, stuff like that. So if it's on the ramen aisle and somebody's kind enough to send it to me, I'm going to review it. Cheers. It's not bad. It's kind of like, I'd say it's more leaning towards a chickeny flavor. It's a little bit salted egg. It's not extreme. Kind of subtle. I don't mind that. I will be the first to say I'm not like an expert on porridges. I do like congee though. Yeah, I'm gonna be kind of gentle on this. Here's some scallion, and I think a logical addition would be a little chili crisp, but I'm just gonna use the oil. Just a little oil, a drizzle. Like that. I was thinking maybe some mint, but no. Jimmy the Mint ain't getting any play today. There you go. There's some porridge for you. Did I get a bunch of crap on me? I probably did. Crud. Anyways, rotate. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is a Marchand rice bowl, chicken flavor that we found at 7-Eleven. They did like a big thing with Marchand and their Funyuns promotion, and there's a Mexican rice, and yeah, so pretty good, the first one I had, so we'll see how this one is. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.